In this video, guys, I would like to create our first project. The project, what is the project? Project means a website. Okay, so if you have a customer and you will create a website for him or her, so it means you will create a project. So at first, I would like to create a new file, new folder here, and the folder will be like first HTML, for example. And now I would like to open this folder in VS Code. How we can do that? There are two options. The first is that you grab and put it here. So it means drag and drop. Okay, so you take this and put it here. But be careful, please, if you have this column here. So don't put it here. You have to put it here in the middle. Okay. And the second option is that you can use the file, open folder, and here on my desktop I will be able to find it, one HTML. Okay, and I will take it. So it will look like this. Here we have a question: do you trust to this folder? Yes, of course, because I created it. So yes, I trust. Here I will close the copilot. I will close the welcome page, and we have the file here. Okay, so the second option is that you take it and put it here. Okay, and the result is the same. So the name of this folder is here. Perfect. And now we need to create the first file here. So what does it mean? It means that I will click on this icon, new file, and here I will write a name. And the first will be index.html. It has to be index.html. Okay, the first always is index.html. It has its own reason. Okay, the reason is that if you upload your files to the internet and you will buy some domain, for example www.mydomain.com. So if somebody take this domain and put it to the browser, so the first file which will be searched is index.html. So index.html is always the home page. Okay, and it just goes like this. So please be aware, the first has to be index.html, and it means that index.html will be always the home page. So we have it. Perfect. And of course we can create another one if we want, for example contact.html, and so on and so on. If you want some services.html, it doesn't matter. Okay, so these files are up to you. Okay, so it means that the website has its own pages, and the page is for index, it has to be like this, and the rest is up to you. For example, contact.html, services.html, and so on and so on. And of course, it can be a one page. One page means that everything will be in index.html. It's possible as well, of course. It's up to you guys how many pages your project, your website will have. So at first, I would like to work only with index.html. So now if I am here and I will click, so I will use the right click on the mouse, and here is open with live server. You know, it is the extension which we installed here in extension. Do you remember? Live server. So I can put it here, click, but you have to be in in a HTML file. Okay, it doesn't work with another abbreviation. Okay, in another extent like HTML, we have CSS and so on. You have to be in HTML. Okay, so now you can click open with live server, or you have here go live. It's up to you what you will choose. I will click go live, close this, and you can see that in my browser I can see the empty page, and this empty page is index.html. Okay, so it's this file. So if I will create something here in index.html, I can see that here. So this is my default browser in my computer. So if you want, you can search your default browser here, and you can change it if you want. But I will use Chrome. Okay, Google Chrome. So if you want to see everything like me, so you can use the Chrome as well. If you will use something different, it's not so problem. It's not so difficult. So you can use if you want. So we have a browser, so I can use it like this, for example, this and this. I have the browser here, index.html here, and that's it. If you want to have more space, so you can click on this icon, and the left column will appear, so, or disappear, sorry. And if I click again, it will appear. Okay, so I will use it very often. Perfect. So we have everything ready. So in the next video we can start with HTML language.